Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi problem setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you solve guys your Wi-Fi network problem in your Realme phone guys. Guys you have guys your Wi-Fi network problem, so guys you want to solve it. So guys you can solve it. And guys now let's see how to solve Wi-Fi network problem in our Realme phone. Friend, first of all open your phone setting to solve. Then guys scroll it. Guys you can see system settings. So guys tap here. Guys come in guys your backup and reset option. So guys tap here, and guys you can see reset phone. So guys tap here guys, reset setting guys you can see tap here to reset. Then guys your Wi-Fi network will reset. So as you can use guys your Wi-Fi setting without any problem guys. I hope friends you have understood how to solve Wi-Fi network problem in a Realme phone. I hope friends you have understood how to solve Wi-Fi network problem setting guys. So guys after that guys you have any problem guys, suppose, so guys don't worry guys, take out guys your phone screenshot guys, model number, and guys send me on comment section guys. I will check guys, then guys I will tell you, and guys I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.